Oh.
Back down.
Oh, fuck.
This is my daughter Christy. She came all the way from St. Louis, and it's great because I get to adjust her. What's going on?
My shoulders, and I feel some numbness down in my, whatever this is called.
Forearm?
Forearm, yeah.
Okay. And what's that typically coming from? What makes it worse?
When I'm hunched over all day at work.
What do you do?
I'm a microblading artist.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
My own dad doesn't know what I do.
Okay, so let's go face down. We're going to check those areas. So you can see coming over this way, it's a little crooked here. And with that, a lot of that forward work does get a little more hunchy. And feel that there?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm going to take care of that. And this here first. There. Okay. So, lie on your left side facing me. Here, get on the other side. Good. Excellent. Let's turn to the other side now. And let's have you sit up for a moment. Have a seat right here. So we're going to open up the chest more to get rid of that little hunchy part that you get from work. Back down.
Oh, fuck.
How'd that feel?
Definitely opened it up.
Okay, all right. Let's go face down. Ooh. Okay, let's see what else we can find here. Just turn your head to the left. Feel all that stuff there? Yeah. And to the right.
It's harder to turn it to the right.
A little harder to the right.
Yeah.
And face down.
Oh.
Good. Excellent. Okay, and lie on your back. Yeah, it's definitely a little more difficult there, right? Feel that guy right there.
Yeah. Oh.
Nice. This. Okay. Okay. Better range of motion, getting there. All right, so we're going to decompress that spine, open up with the occiput released with that upper back. So we're going to use this Y strap to do that. We're going to lift your head up a little bit and just come on back down. And we'll flip this right there. Just make sure it's just not on your earrings.
Yeah, I'm not wearing earrings.
Okay. How's that feel on your ears and the back of your head? It's okay?
Fine.
Okay.
Oh. Wow.
Okay, just rest there. What did you feel?
Well, a really good stretch, but it went all the way down to like my mid back.
Right where you needed it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like a little lightning bolt.
Let me just double check, yeah. The tone is really nice here now. Let's go face down. Better there. Last last thing is line your back one more time. Let me check the shoulder, wrist, and
Okay.
elbow. We're gonna just
Do you want my legs down?
whatever's comfortable right there, because a lot of times that will get stuck forward here. So we're just gonna make sure we're gonna put the head of the humerus back into the socket, just let it settle in there, and we're gonna come back that way. Let me check the elbow. Yeah, it's a little tight in that spot there, but it feels like it's okay there. Let's check the wrist. There you go. Good. Cool.
And I needed that. This morning when we were working out, I could feel it
Yeah,
needed.
kind of hurts good there.
Yeah.
Excellent. Let me check the other side. Even though you're complaining at one side, we just want to check both because, yeah, you can just feel that.
Yeah, I mean,
Clunking right there.
it's still on the left side too. It's just the right. Since
Yeah.
I'm right-handed,
So
I
you can
feel it more.
that one.
Yeah.
No motion there.
Oh.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay. All right. So that was great. So we released the neck, decompressed the area, freed up that hunchy back, got the pelvis moving, got a good nerve supply down to those wrists, and all those carpal bones are moving freely. So
Yeah.
power's on. Okay.
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.